Welcome to No More Excuses. In today's video we will show how extracted juice can benefit your health, the pros and cons of juicing, and some of the juicing methods commonly used today. Now let's dive into the video. The benefits of extracted juicing. There are several significant health benefits to drinking extracted juice. It will help your body consume the nutrients in the fruits and veggies faster by not absorbing the fibers and other elements that make up the fruits and vegetables.
The extracted veggies and fruits can increase vitamins A, C, K, potassium and calcium.
Juicing with leafy green veggies adds antioxidants which help reduce cell-damaging free radical compounds and toxins in your body. Drinking extracted juice can also give your immune system a much-needed boost. Drinking extracted juice increases your intake of vitamins and minerals, kickstarting the body's natural defense mechanism that fight unwanted diseases, unhealthy bacteria and viruses. Since the juice is in liquid form, it absorbs into your body quicker, giving you an energy boost and a healthy digestive system. Best veggies to juice. You can extract any fruit and vegetable as long as it can be cut up and inserted into your juicer.
Veggies like spinach are full of vitamins and minerals, like potassium, folate, vitamins A, C, K, B2, BC, and E.
Drinking this juice stimulates liver production and enzymes that aid digestion. Kale, commonly known as the queen of the greens, is loaded with many nutrients. Kale juice is equivalent to having a powerful multivitamin. The minerals in kale can fight against heart disease, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes. Extracted carrot juice is very nutritious.
It has several vitamins like A, C, and K.
It may help improve ocular health, your skin, and other essential health benefits. It is easier to digest extracted carrot juice than chewing the raw vegetable. Eating a raw carrot may not be as easy as drinking carrot juice. The juice is more tolerable and pleasant to drink because you don't have to chew the vegetable to swallow. It has been found that veggies like spinach, broccoli, and asparagus can reduce belly fat. They help your body's metabolism, which is the chemical reaction in your cells that turn the foods we eat and drink into energy, burns fat, and helps your body function day to day. If you are enjoying this content, subscribe and like to see more videos. Some of the best fruits to juice include lemons, oranges, watermelons, cantaloupe, apples, limes, and grapefruits. Lemons. Lemons have plenty of health benefits. Eating or drinking the extracted juice prevents kidney stones, helps improve skin, regulates blood sugar, and even aids in weight loss. When mixed with honey and other herbs, it can be used to fight the common cold. Researchers have discovered that lemon juice has been shown to suppress tumor growth in specific cancers. Lemon juice is full of flavonoids, a multipurpose compound that aids your cells from the attack of various types of cancer. It can help boost your immunity, enhance hair and skin, and help digestion. Watermelon.
Watermelon juice is filled with vitamins A, C, and B6.
It has tons of antioxidants that protect your cells when food is broken down in the body. It is low on sodium, which is excellent for heart health and the cardiovascular system. The extracted juice from watermelon is great for your kidneys and kidney function, flushing out toxins. It stops the formation of kidney stones, thus improving the overall health of the kidney. The juice is low in calories, lowering unwanted fat in the body. It aids in lowering cholesterol and helps with overeating as it gives the brain a sense that your belly is full, decreasing overeating. Grapefruit. Extracted grapefruit juice is one of my favorite juices to drink. It is sweet and tart and very refreshing. Not only does it taste good, but it has many helpful properties to our health and physical well-being. Extracted ruby red grapefruit contains beta-carotene that acts as an antioxidant. This juice gives us an instant energy boost due to the fruit's magnesium and vitamin C content. Now that you are full of energy, extracted grapefruit juice is terrific for our skin and hair. Vitamin C contained in the juice helps the skin produce collagen, thus improving flexibility and longevity in the skin. What are your favorite fruits to juice? Leave them in the comments below. The pros and cons of juicing. Pros. Extracted juice is a great and healthy way to increase the daily recommended servings of veggies and fruits required for a balanced diet. Juice provide most vitamins, minerals, and plant chemicals in whole fruits and vegetables. Juice makes a tasty and healthy snack or meal replacement. It's an easy way to boost the number of fruits and veggies you consume in a day. Drinking extracted juice can add essential nutrients that are beneficial to your health. Extracted veggies or fruits and a combination of both can provide much-needed vitamins and minerals to offset a deficiency if you don't consume fruits and veggies daily. Cons. A juice extractor leaves nutrient and fiber-rich pulp and skin behind. Since the body is not breaking down this vital carbohydrate, your body digests the fructose sugar more efficiently, which can unsettle blood sugar levels. Juicing can be expensive and time-consuming. You may need to use a lot of fruits and vegetables for juicing, and organic produce is even more expensive. Whole fruits and vegetables are an excellent source of fiber, a nutrient that helps keep your digestive tract working properly. The large majority of fiber found in produce is located in the peel or skin, and it's the fiber that gives plants their structure. When juice is made, the peel or skin of the produce is removed. That said, unless you like extra heavy pulp, most if not all juices will contain some fiber. Removing fiber from your diet can lead to digestive issues like diarrhea, and having a low-fiber diet can increase the risk of colon and other cancers. While fiber primarily regulates your gut, it also plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar. Eating whole fruits and vegetables with their fiber intact helps to slow down the digestion of their naturally occurring sugars. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Individuals who juice tend not to eat adequate amounts of healthy fats and protein. Although juices can have lots of great vitamins and minerals, most fruits and vegetables are low in the amount of healthy fats and protein. If you only drink juice throughout the day, you are missing out on these crucial fats and protein that your body needs. If you choose to drink juice, pair it with a good source of healthy fats and protein, such as Greek yogurt or a handful of nuts and seeds. This combination allows you to enjoy juicing while ensuring you're still getting the nutrients from other food groups. Extracted juicing methods commonly used today. Pressing. With this method, a machine presses fruits and vegetables to produce liquid or juice. This procedure applies to fruits and veggies with a high content of water. There are several distinct types of pressing methods. They are based on different temperatures of raw materials. There are cold press, hot press, and freeze press. Extraction. Extraction is shifting juice in fruits and vegetables to hot water. This process applies to fruits and veggies with less water content, such as dates and dark plums. This higher pectin content makes squeezing these fruits more challenging to extract the juice. Pulping. The process in which you isolate the seed peel and kernel of fruits and vegetables to acquire their puree. Pulping applies to produce fruit purees and squash, like strawberry, mango, and peach. Using a filter, we can get a puree. Juicing is a great way to get all the nutrients your body needs, and it's especially beneficial if you want to lose weight. Keep these tips in mind as you begin your journey to better health through juicing. We hope this video has helped introduce you to the world of juicing and shown you how extracted juicing can benefit your health. Which part of the video did you like most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.